This is the only place to get up close and personal with the hottest celebrities and enjoy the glitz and glamour of Hollywood life. Dazzle your friends with the ultimate selfie as you strike a pose with Taylor Swift, kick a GOOAL with Neymar, fly back through history to meet our greatest leaders, and save the world with Superman, Batman, and Wonder Woman. Join in the wax-tastic fun by making your own wax hand to take home. Madame Tussauds Wax Museum. Get the ultimate backstage pass at the world's greatest wax museum. Step onto set with Dwayne Johnson, join Rihanna on the halftime show stage, and rub shoulders with Ryan Reynolds and Aquaman at the ultimate release party. Plus, join Superman, Wonder Woman, and the rest of the Justice League to save the tropics. Starting at $33.99. Step into the captivating world of Madame Tussauds, Orlando, Florida. Lifelike wax figures of your favorite celebrities and historical icons come to life in this immersive and interactive experience. Pose for selfies with A-list stars like Ryan Reynolds and Emma Watson. Step into the Oval Office to spend time getting to know the world's greatest leaders, both past and present. From Hollywood legends to sports heroes, Madame Tussauds Orlando offers a unique experience that allows you to get up close and personal with your idols. Create your own wax hand to take home. Take home a classic, custom-made Madame Tussauds souvenir and remember your trip to Icon Park forever. Immerse in the wax-tastic fun by creating a wax mold with your very own hand. This experience is available in many different colors and patterns. It's a fun, painless experience for guests 8 years and older.
Einstein. Hello, Mr. Einstein. Ganda, gumagalaw pa sila. Diba? Ano ginagawa nito? Oh, Corbin. Swimming. Nagkita rin tayo. Wow. Woo! Ikit mo. Woo! Hey, how's it going? Hey. good, Lottie.